Grüezi und welcome to this information video about the innovations in the Belimo RetroFIT app. My name is Joseph Neururer. I'm Product Manager for General Air Solutions at Belimo headquarters in Hinwil, Switzerland. It is a pleasure for me to present to you the functional extension of the app. If you have never heard of the Belimo RetroFIT app, this app helps you to quickly and easily find the right Belimo replacement product for air damper actuators, valves and valves actuators, and as well sensors. The RetroFIT app can be downloaded and installed free of charge from Google Play or App Store. Now we come to the highlight of the current update. In order to increase the user friendliness, we implemented OCR in the app. OCR means Optical Character Recognition, or better understandable, optische Zeichenerkennung in German. In principle, this complex function is very simple. I take pictures of the actuator's label or select a photo taken earlier. The software reads the relevant text modules from the photo and connects them to our RetroFIT database. This new options also results in an almost offline solution in which there is no need for a direct internet connection. So, that was all about OCR theory. I will now show you how simple this new feature really is. We start with the variant 1, that means we are online. I start the RetroFIT app, select Air Application. On the upper left corner I push the button Scan. A dialog window appears with additional information. Scan again. Choose Take a Picture and take it. So, very easy. If it is okay, I use the photo. The OCR module scanned the photo and shows the results. I choose the appropriate information and continue as usual. That was easy, wasn't it? This eliminates the input via the keyboard and comes directly to the desired replacement actuator from Belimo. Variant 2. I call this process an almost offline solution. Why? Do we see right away in the second record live demo. We are in the basement without internet connection. To simulate this, I put my iPhone into flight mode. Now all connections are interrupted. I start the RetroFIT app and it doesn't start. I switch to the standard camera app on my mobile. I take photos of the actuator need to be replaced. Of course, that could be more than one. Then I start the RetroFIT app. Oh, sorry. We are still in the basement without internet connection. I have to switch off the flight mode first. So, okay. I start the RetroFIT app again. Select Air Application and push the button Scan. Dialog window appear again. Scan. Now I choose Photo Media Take and select the appropriate photo of the actuator. If it's okay, then I use the photo. The OCR module scans the photo and shows the results. Choose the appropriate information and continue as usual. So now, if we don't have an internet connection, we just take picture of the actuators need to be replaced and then use the RetroFIT app to determine the corresponding replacement actuator later. This can also be later in the office. The OCR function can of course also be used conveniently on the desktop computer in your office. You will hardly have noticed before in the live demos. There is a number in brackets next to the recognized text. This means how many times this text was found in the current database. This shows you whether it makes sense to select this text module if, for example like here, 182 possibles were found. Another small addition. If no corresponding information is found in our database, the message "Please contact your local Belimo distributor" appears like so far. We have made no changes to the further steps. I select the appropriate actuator for my application from the list of possible replacement actuators. Now I have the possibility to compare the selected replacement actuator with the one to be replaced. I not only check the datasheet or the mounting instruction for the new actuator, I can also save the documents locally on my mobile. Finally, the selected replacement actuator can still be assigned to a new or existing project. With the newly implemented Optical Character Recognition (OCR), we were able to improve the user-friendliness of the Belimo RetroFIT app. The typing in of sometimes long terms is replaced by a simple photo, and a short time later the suitable Belimo product is on your desk. It's your turn now. For those who have not yet installed the Belimo RetroFIT app, the latest version is available for download from Google Play or App Store. If you have already installed the RetroFIT app, you should automatically be asked to update. Do it, it's worth. Have fun with the new RetroFIT app from Belimo.